2017 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.